you doing under there? What you doing, Baxter? What? Oh, look at, there you are. There you are. What are you doing? There's your nose. You gonna stay under there? Huh? Come on, let's see what you look like. Baxter? Yeah, there's your tail. There it is. Baxter! There you are. Here comes your buddy. Let everybody see how your hair has grown out. Can't even see your eyes anymore, can we? There's Buddy Zipper. Yep. Hi, boys. Surely when we put the camera on, you're still, right? Yeah. Now what are you going to do? Baxter, you're going to stay under there? Huh? Before he covered himself. This time I covered him. And of course Zipper's here begging for a cookie. What you doing there, Zipper? Huh? You want a cookie, don't you? Don't you want a cookie? Baxter, you really don't care, do you? Baxter! Baxter? You like it under there, do you? Hmm? Do you like it under there? Do you? Hmm? Yeah, obviously he does. Here's a cookie for Zipper. Baxter really doesn't like cookies for some reason, I don't know. Oh, aren't you just adorable? There you are. Yep, there you are. Are you done? Yep, he's gone.